Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu bi kalimatillahi ta'amat min sharri ma halak. Welcome to today's video. I hope each and everyone is doing wonderfully well. In today's video, we are making some Nkate Konto, which is peanut butter and spinach soup. This soup is packed with flavors and it's very nutritious as well, especially with the kind of vegetables you use in preparing it. You can have this soup with any swallow of your choice, which I decided to choose fufu today with it. Yeah, I'm planning to have it with rice bowl as well. I didn't quite like it when I was with my mom, but for some reasons, when I wake up today, I feel like having it, so I'm like, why not? And I have all the ingredients at hand as well, so I just went ahead and cooked it, and it was delicious. Like, I went for second round for the soup, by the way, and yeah. And of course, you have to add your okra to it, which is from my garden, by the way. So I started with washing my meat of choice, and yeah, with this soup, I intentionally added some dry fish, like herrings, or and some mackerel as well. So with the beef, I season it with some of my green seasoning, which I have it linked down below if you want to check how I made it. And I went ahead to add these natural herbs that my mom sent me. Oh my god, this herbs is so good. I added some shrimp cube, some onion and garlic powder, with some black pepper as well. Cover it to cook in its own juices, which is very important step, by the way. So over here, I just came back to check up on it, and yeah, after doing this, I'll go ahead to prep the other ingredients, which is the spinach and the peanut butter. But before then, you will have to cook your veggies that you will be adding to the soup. So I went ahead to add tomatoes and one habanero. My peanut butter and my spinach. So back in Ghana, we don't have spinach. We have Konto, which serve the same purpose. So yeah, they normally use that vegetables, but since we are here and we don't have it, we normally use that. So over here, I went ahead to add my earrings, which is a earring fish that has been smoked. Yeah, it's add a lot of flavors to the soup as well. And at the same time, the veggies were all cooked, so I went ahead to remove the veggies from it, and this beef was so delicious. Like, because it's normally cooked in its own juices, it tends to be soaked with all the spice, and every bite you like enjoy it. Yeah, so I went ahead to add the blended up ingredient, let it cook for a little bit before I went ahead to add the other blended ingredient to it. Then the next thing you have to do is to cook it. Like, so I cook it for about 20 to 30, and I'll be adding some mackerel to it, but that mackerel I would have to put it later on because I don't want it to break apart in the soup. So yeah, if you've been watching me till now, why don't you please subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Yeah, I went ahead to add some mushrooms to it as well. My grandma loves mushroom in her soup. I think that's why I'm obsessed with it. Yeah, and over here I was just adding the mackerel to it. And after adding it, you just let it boil, let it cook. You're gonna know that it's cooked when oil start to sit on top and it's reduced in size, and the soup is gonna be a little bit thick.